Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how to install Node on Windows machine. So first we'll open our browser and we'll search Node.js. So you'll find out this Node.js.org, which is the official website of Node. Click on downloads. We'll use the Windows installer. Before downloading on Windows, we need to select this Windows drop down running on which architecture you're using. So it's x64 for my machine. Let's click on Windows Installer MSI. Click on Next. We'll be using the default settings. So I'm installing it into my program files folder, changing it to all defaults, adding it to path. Next. I don't need to unnecessarily install some additional tools, so I'm not checking this. And then install. So the node has been successfully installed. Now let's check the node version installed. As you can see, the node is completely installed. Please do subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.